3 months after the shocking news that over half of Newark Public Schools tested positive for elevated levels of lead in their drinking water, Governor Christie has announced a new mandate for all New Jersey schools to test their water for lead. I was at a press conference in Trenton where Governor Christie outlined his new plan.
Administration is committed to addressing the dangers of elevated lead levels whenever we find them. That's why today I'm directing the New Jersey Department of Education to address legitimate concerns about elevated lead levels in school water systems by strengthening regulations that already require the provision of safe drinking water to mandate lead hazard water testing in all of our schools.
I have been chasing this story since we first learned about the problem in Newark. After that, revelations started popping up all over the state. Prior to this, Governor Christie's been hesitant to introduce a mandate because he said the state would have to provide the money to back it. So as a part of this proposal, Governor Christie is asking the legislature for $10 million for testing in about 3,000 schools statewide. There are major health concerns for children exposed to lead. Back in March, Newark tested thousands of students who attended these schools that tested positive for lead in their drinking water for lead poisoning. I asked the governor if he knew the results of these tests and if they influenced his decision at all for mandating water testing.
The results have been fairly normal, as I noted in my remarks, that we have half the number of kids who have tested positive for lead in 2015 than we had in 1998. So no, this is in response to the Newark schools taking a new approach, which was to publicize the results of the testing they were doing. That raised a lot of concern with other parents across New Jersey about were their schools testing, and if they were, why didn't they know about the results? And I think that's a fair observation.
What do you think of the governor's mandate? Tweet me at Chasing Tamara.